Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be shopping at Love's. We're going to be looking at all the deals that are arriving, mostly holiday deals. We're going to see the start of that. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. As we walk in here, pretty much this is here in Phoenix, Arizona. It's in the West Valley. So we got $99 special here, as you guys see. That's from Cobalt. Really nice tools here, toolkits. Those are really nice. A drill driver, impact driver for $99 each, with the battery and a charger and a bag. So really good deals on that. They are brushless tools, so really great tools to have for the DIY. You got some blowers there. You got a blower kit for $118. You got some Craftsman ice chest here for $129. You got some toolboxes, Craftsman toolboxes, some screwdrivers for $34. Now I wasn't able to get the price on the back. It's kind of hidden, but the top chest is $279. You got another toolbox here, $7.68 and a $6.98 for the screwdrivers. The press screwdrivers you guys see there. Those. But yeah, overall these are nice boxes. And you got a $69.98 for this tote with the wheels. Then $14.97 for the screwdriver set, the 27 piece. $31 for the bigger set there. $2.99 for the top, $4.39 for the bottom. Really nice toolboxes. I wish they were different colors, like in matte or something. That would be nice. I know I've seen them somewhere, but I just don't know if I'm seeing them here or the competitor, Home Depot. You got $2.29 for the bottom, $2.19 for the top. You got buy one get one free from Cobalt. You basically buy any bare tool, get I believe a 2 amp hour battery. You got a 52 piece for $19.98. Yeah, I really like this brand. This brand is pretty good. I gotta say, you know, there's nothing wrong for you being a homeowner and owning this brand. It's actually a great value there. I do have a couple of those kits that you see there, $19.98. The ones we had on Christmas, I believe it was a 200 and something piece. Really great kit. Definitely recommend those. $39.98. Got some gloves for $9.98. So now that the winter time is coming, you're now gonna have some gloves for the winter. And that was on clearance for $9.98, a 33 piece. Really nice. And it does have a clear case so you can see what's inside. And then these, really nice, pretty much universal combination extension for $39.98 or $97. And then this is a 48 piece for $49.98. It's not too bad. It's about $1 per piece there. $69.98 for an 83 piece, which is a better deal. Last time I came here, I got a 40 piece for $26. So I don't see it here anymore. So you just gotta watch out the prices and the amount of tools you're getting. Those are the Craftsman gloves. Really nice. $9.98 for those magnetic trays. $12.98 for the bigger one. Those are good prices, by the way. $24.98. And then you got a 44 piece for $29.98. So, and then you got some 7 piece there for $28.13. I believe you could get metric or SAE. And you do have different colors. So metric or SAE pretty much. And then this was in clearance for $19.98, which I don't believe it's a good price. I think it's kind of pricey. $14.98 for that. That's a screwdriver, like a 4 piece screwdriver set, or not driver or bit set. $9.98. That's a good price. 200 piece. So you get 200 blades with that. $89. So that's definitely a great deal. Brushless tools. Impact driver for $89. A charger and a bag and a battery. It's a great DIY tools. And then this thing didn't have a price, which is very suspicious. They might be changing the price on that very soon. So we got $3.99 on this one, which is a great deal. As you guys see there, it's a nice saw there. Metabo. And then you got some tape measures here for $12.98. I guess they have them in clearance. 10-inch portable table saw, $3.99. Or $5.99, my bad. And then $19.98, 52 piece. And then yeah, we got these $129 for the impact driver, $179 for the hammer drills. One's made in the USA, one's not. I believe both of them are XRs. So yeah, there's a lot to choose from around $100. Pretty much can get a great tool. Walk out with a great tool. You got the spiders, $69.98 for the bigger kit. $12.98 for that spade bit set. So not too bad. I mean, they look okay, but there's mixed reviews out there. I haven't used any of these. If you guys use spider, let me know down in the comment section. If you guys have any experience with the spider. You got a 7 1/4, $17, and then 24 tooth. That's the cheap. That's all they had. The 24 tooth, by the way, 7 1/4. The other ones were more expensive, but they don't have them. Got a 45 piece, $12.98, which is not a bad deal. As you guys see there, you got some nut drivers there, some bits. $12.98 for the 21 piece. And then this one, I don't know if it's the same or probably the bottom kit. That's $19.98. $6.98 for the Craftsman, 24 tooth, 7 1/4. And then these some nice hammers here, basically targeting the DIY. I don't think these are professional use. $12.98. Usually the professional ones will be a little bit more heavy duty, less plasticky, and will have a little bit more features on the end, you know, like the magnetic holders, nail holders. You got some more DIY tape measures there. $12.98 for the spider step, then $119 for the bigger kit. Some Linux, some more Cobalts, $99, and then $199 for the both of them. They used to have a kit. I don't know if we've seen it. We probably saw it on the last video that I did, that included impact driver, drill driver, and one battery, a charger, and a bag. It was $129, so that was a much better deal than these. But you only get one battery, but still, that was a great deal. You got $99, $179 for the impact driver kit, $149 for the circular saw. Then you got some Bosch. I believe it's a hammer drill for $149. And then you got some bits here. The one that's 19 is the bottom one, by the way. This one's the one that's $19.98. $14.98 and $9.98. Got $19.98, $44.98 for the big blades, set of 2. And then $19.98 for the 52 piece. And then $12.98 for the other 52 piece, I guess. Just gotta watch out for the numbers, because sometimes I have them in the wrong place. You got some 21 piece and a 30 piece. $19.98 and $11.98 for the 30 piece. That's $11.98. Not too bad. And you gotta be careful, because sometimes they'll just throw in a lot of little bits, and you're ending up buying a lot of little bits that you don't even use. So I just gotta watch out for that. It's a nice set right there. It's a black oxide. Pretty much entry level type of thing. Usually if you're gonna go for something better, you're gonna go for titanium. Which they had some titaniums there, which is they had a 14 piece for $16.97 or 98. Then they had that one in clearance for $13.98, which is the 45 piece, I believe. Comes with some really nice bits there, some drivers. So I guess it's on sale from $16.88. And then I was looking to see if I could find the titanium, but I only saw those, the black and gold. Black and gold is actually, I think it's towards the right, so they were misplaced. Yeah, I think they're supposed to be over here. Black and gold 1998. I was just looking for those titaniums. A 14 piece titanium drill bit set. And I found some at the bottom there. There were 14 pieces. It says titanium. They had the old and the newer case. They must have just had some left over from last year, I guess. But yeah, that's the new case, that the 14 piece titanium. Really nice. So if you want to get something that lasts a little bit longer, you make sure you get the titaniums. Sometimes they'll be like titanium coated, but usually if they're pure titanium, they'll last a long time. I don't know. I never used those before. Those DeWalts. I used the Milwaukee's, but not the DeWalts. Then you got the oscillating tool XRs with the battery, a charger, and a bag. I know that Home Depot has one on sale there, or it's going to have one on sale. I believe the Atomic's going to go on sale for like around $100. So hopefully we'll see that soon in the stores. That's a nice set there. It's a little pricey. I was gonna get it, but it was a little pricey for my for $49.98. A little pricey there. And then that's like some sort of marker or something, that heats up or burns wood or something. I never used that. Never seen this before. It does have like a little Dremel tool, and then has like a burner, so you can just pretty much burn it into the wood. And you got some more DeWalt kits here. $179. Remember, guys, we do still have that one on clearance. The impact driver, drill driver, made in the USA for around $200. Some people are getting it for $178. They're not in the display. They're going to be up above. You have to look for it. Check out some of my videos in the past from my channel, so you guys can look at that. That's a nice kit there. It does include 2 sockets. That's why it's a little bit more pricey, but it's well worth it. 40 piece. See, they're not including so many little pieces. Mostly they're including really like stuff that you're going to use. Usable stuff. But yeah, a little pricey at $34.98. Might as well just pick up some sockets by themselves and just get the extra sockets in case you need them. But $13.98, not a bad deal there. Then 29 piece for $59.98. So there's just a lot. As you guys see, most of this stuff is going to be the Christmas deals. It's already starting to show up in the stores. They're just not labeling it as a Christmas deals yet. So 14 piece, $12.98. 26 piece. It's a really nice kit there for $19.98. 24 piece, $9.98. $11.98 for 47 piece. 33 piece for $19.98. As you guys see, you guys starting to see the trend there. You got the buy one get one free, $199 to drill driver, impact driver, or you get the $299 the 4-tool combo kit. You get a free tool. They only had the impact driver and the drill driver for $199. The other combo that didn't have it. Then we got this. We got a 16 piece for $22.98 and a 6 piece, I believe, 6 piece for $9.98. So it just depends on if you're a homeowner or if you're, pretty much a professional using those. And yeah, I was looking at these. Actually, I haven't been to this aisle in so long because these things are going away. They're getting replaced by battery operated tools. But yeah, $7.50, really nice gun there. Got a 4.3 gallon quiet Tech Air 198. Really nice. Or 189, my bad. 129 for the 2 gallon quiet. So I believe those are the newer ones that they have. Really nice. So 169 for the Craftsman. And then 289 for the 26 gallon. So not too bad. And then that was the clearance section. Like I said, not a lot to look at. Pretty much what they're doing is they're clearancing out everything at where it's at. So mostly household items. Another section of household items. Light bulbs and light fixtures and all kinds of stuff. And then they had some smart light bulbs there. Some more light bulbs. And then they had some vanities at the bottom. Some mirror vanities there. Yeah, and that one's in clearance. If you could find it at your store, it is the 150cc 21 inch. Could not find it, but it's something similar to that. That's the 163. That's not it. Same thing with these. That's not it. So they're running out on this store. $3.89 for the Cobalt. $2.49 for the Push. And then they had this on sale, the Greenworks Pro. That's a great deal, guys. If you guys could find that at your store, if you guys need a lawnmower, go pick it up. It's $199. It's a great pretty much you're getting a battery, a charger in the bag, and it is a 60 volts tool, and it's a self-propelled. The push mower, it's $172. It's even cheaper. I would definitely pay the $199 though. Just to have that for what, $30 more. So definitely worth any of these two. If you could find them at your stores, go pick them up. Now is the time. So $69.98 for the Greenworks trimmer Gen 2. That's it right there. Really nice. Does come with the battery and a charger. $94 for the combo kit. Greenworks 60 volt trimmer blower combo. That's a great deal, guys. Like I said, all these are in clearance. Definitely recommend you guys check it out. $115 for the blower. The 60 volt blower. Then they had some more lawnmowers here on the back. $199. So this Lowe's has a lot of lawnmowers here. And great prices. Yeah, that $199 is pretty much a killer right there. That's a great deal. And I got some more on the back here, but nothing as good as the Greenworks. $139 for the Cobalt 40 volts. You guys know what these colors mean on these tags? Let me know down on the comment section. I've just been trying to figure out what those colors mean. If they mean like a certain like a clearance or I don't know, like a seasonal item or something. Who knows? But they had that one on clearance too for $289 or $239, my bad. $239.60. They had a lot of those. So they're on it's up to you, whatever you want to get. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.